I just can't tell you how much value I got out of these 2 days here at CarrotCamp. I've downloaded a lot of information, but more than anything, in the last 25 minutes that I've been here, I've taken massive action. That's what it's all about.
Definitely allowed me to have a better understanding of where I'm going with my business.
It just creates this environment of wanting to do better.
Mostly it was the other campers that brought tons of value. I learned a ton from them. Obviously I learned a ton from Trevor and his team. They're fantastic.
These guys are amazing. The tools that they have, the strategies that they have in place are game changing.
What I really love about Trevor is the fact that he focuses a lot on, yes, let's look at the business side of things, but let's also make sure that that's not at the expense of our lives and of our families and of our health.
I really like just going out to lunch and actually being able to like sit down and talk and connect with these other people that are at a whole nother level of where I want to go, and actually be able to sit down and just like have a conversation with them to put everybody in one place.
Also getting outside of the office, we spent, a day up on the river, got to, people went on hikes, we went on mountain bike rides, we had a killer picnic. Just coming here, it's totally worth it. The other cool thing is every morning you could come to a workout with Trevor where they had a personal coach. It was a lot of fun,
It's also the ability to talk about, this is my issue, and we have a little bit of time to get really incredible minds deep diving into issues. If one person has an issue, it's an issue that very likely all of us face.
It's just kind of taking a time out and a break and refocusing and just re-strategizing and getting your head in the right place.
One tip that you get from one of these great minds here will pay you 10x what you're paying for CarrotCamp.